Yeah, here we have a Rongfu 20-inch swing milling drilling machine. Okay, this is decked out with the flash cut CNC stepper controller, 3-axis, as you can see right here. It also includes an Accurite View 3-axis DRO. This machine appears to be just slightly used, but it's in real good condition. There's really no metal shavings on it or anything like that. It has very minimal signs of use. And we have it powered up so you can watch it run. So we're just going to use the manual controls here. We tested all the speeds. All the speeds work. Has a power down feed. That also works. However, it is hooked up to the CNC control here, so there's kind of limited use there. One of the handles has been broken off, but this handle still works. Okay, I'm going to fire it up here to show you that it does operate. So, pull out the E-stop on here, turn the green button on. That's one of the higher speeds. And what we're going to do is pop it in low gear here. So both forward and reverse here. You know, the motor works real well. The DRO also works very well. Now we're just going to show you the flash cut down. What we did is we took our laptop and downloaded the program here. You can also operate it from the keypad. So we're going to do a little bit of both. But in any case, we'll try the Z-axis on the down position here. As you can see, the quill goes down. We have this is the fast setting, continuous. Also the step settings. This is just the jog section. I don't know if you can see that on the screen here. And that goes all the way down. Okay, and then we have our Y-axis here. We can do that from the keypad here also. We'll just do Y. As you can see, there's the table. Again, you can also do it from the computer here also. Okay, and then we're going to do from the keypad again. We'll do the X-axis. Do it from the computer again. See if we got the right direction here, and we do. So it appears that everything works on here. Pretty nice little setup. Does not include the laptop, of course.